One of the ways that I like to go ahead and think about when you're talking about geofencing, Gino,
yep,
as far as like brokerages, back when there were home shows, ladies and gentlemen, when we go back to home shows and you're working with us, we're going to put a nice little geofence around the home show. Every single device that walks into that geofence throughout that duration of time now will start seeing advertisements of you, as much as you want to put in front of them and what you want to put in front of them. So I think it's important to go ahead and talk about how and why this technology even came about and why we're here now in the real estate industry. And I think that's important. So
Jake, hold on. Jake, I got to stop you there. Hold on. I got to stop you real quick, just so people understand this. So let's say that, because I love that. So we have this place up here called the Valley Forge Convention Center, and they have, the gun shows, the home shows, all the vendors, contractor shows. So if I were to hire you guys to put the fence around the Valley Forge Center on the 3 days people were there, what happens when those people leave there and go back to their homes 30 miles away?
Because they walked into that facility during that time is when we're able to identify the smart devices.
So can you keep hitting them?
Correct. Yeah. And so what we do is we start sending advertisements to all of those devices and everything else. And what's really nice is when they touch any of the digital advertisements, now they come back to your advanced tracking website where we have multiple scripts, view through scripts, retargeting. So now we're able to go ahead and trap them inside of our retargeting audiences.